Hello guys, welcome to Endich Creativity channel. Today I will be showing you how to install, that is fresh install Windows 10 operating system on laptop, or you can install it on desktop as well. So what you will need is a USB drive which is more than 5 GB, and this will need to be created, the bootable needs to be created from existing Windows 10 laptop. uh, and once we have that bootable on this drive, then you just need to plug it onto the new laptop, whatever you want to uh, install the fresh Windows 10. So I'll be installing Windows 10 on this my HP laptop. So let's get started. For creating Windows bootable USB, you will need one USB which is more than 6 GB. The installable which we will create, or the bootable drive which we will create, is somewhere around 4 to 5 GB. So I have one USB. Now I am going to plug it into my computer. So you will need a USB, one computer, and the internet connection. Now what all you need to do is just go to the Chrome browser and then search for the Windows 10 operating system download. Then you will be able to see software download for Microsoft, right? So the Microsoft software download, and then just click on Windows 10 and go down. Here you will see download tool now. So to create the bootable media, you will need to download the tool, and with the help of that tool you should be able to create the bootable for Windows 10, which will then you can take it to another computer and plug it. So just click on the Windows tool. So there are certain steps also given here. If you want, you can go through it, but here the tool is now downloaded, and you can see here. So just double click on that tool, allow it, so that tool will be able to help you to create the bootable USB drive. So it will take some time to just getting things ready, so allow it to get this updated. So you need to accept these terms, so just click on accept, and then it will get things ready to create a bootable. Then it will ask you what do you want to do. So you can upgrade this PC also, and you can create the installation media, which is USB flash drive, or it can be on DVD or ISO file for another PC. So just select create installation media and then hit next. Then these are the default one, so you can create architecture which is 64-bit or 32-bit. So they haven't given any option here, but use this recommended option and click next, and then select the USB flash drive. Since we have added USB, so click on that and hit next, and then it will be it will be selected like E drive for my case, and then hit next. Now it started downloading Windows 10 onto the USB, and you can see the progress over here. Now I have bootable USB drive here, and this is the HP laptop where I will be installing Windows 10 operating system. So let's turn on the laptop and just press escape. So it will go to the startup menu, and here you might need to select the boot options from the BIOS setup. Okay, so just go to the BIOS setup and then go to advanced option, and on the left hand side you can go to boot options. So just select boot option, and here you can see there are various boot options available. First is from CD-ROM if you have, then the second one is USB storage, so you need to enable that USB storage boot if it is not enabled, and that's it. Then you just hit save and then say yes and go back and exit. Okay, and then you need to install the USB bootable, and once it starts it will directly take the bootable USB and it will start installing the Windows 10. So let's look at how it goes ahead. Okay, now the menu has come, Windows setup. So you keep this language, I mean whatever language you want to select you can select here. I'm keeping all these default. Okay, and just say next. Now you can click on install now. So the installation steps are starting. You can see here setup is starting. So it will ask you a couple of questions. So first you will have to accept the license terms and hit next. Then there are two options. One is upgrade, that is install Windows and keep file settings and applications. So this is applicable when we have existing Windows and you are just you just want to upgrade it. For my case I will be selecting custom install Windows only. So this is the option which I will be selecting. So once you select that, then it will ask you where do you want to install. So I want to create a new partition, so I will just say next, new, and then the size which is default, so it has taken default, so I will just say apply. So it will tell me this is the Windows setup, and to ensure that all Windows features work correct, Windows might create additional partition for the system file. So just say OK. Okay, then leave it that as it is and then select next. Now it is copying the Windows 10 files. So installation is now started, so it has copied, then it is getting file ready for the installation, and then it will install the feature, update and finish the setup. So we'll just pause here for some time, so it will take some time. So you can see the progress bar when creating the information, installation of the Windows, and then it will finish. So now it finished installation, so it will further continue. So Windows needs to be restarted, so it will restart the window. So window is getting started now, so you can select the region. So I will just keep this as a default, say yes. Then the keyboard layout, I'll keep it default. Then want to add a second keyboard layout, I'll skip this at this moment. So now it is getting connected to the network, so I'll just connect it. I just re-enter the password. I'll just say yes. It is checking the network requirement. I'll just say next. So it is doing some important setup now. So it is asking me how would you like to set up. So I will just set up for personal use because this is my personal computer. I have entered the account information. Now it is asking me to create a PIN, so I will create a PIN. you can set up a pin here and say OK. So once you sign on the account, it will ask you to choose a privacy setting for your device. So I'm keeping this all default. Okay, and then accept. Now you have to customize your experience, so you can customize it whatever way you want. So I am skipping this setup as of now. So once you click next, it will ask you to use your Android phone from your PC. So you can set up this whatever way you want. Now for now I will just hit the button remind me later. Now it is asking to back up your files with OneDrive. So I will just say next. So on this screen it is asking claim your free trial of Office 365, but as of now I don't want to get this, so just say no thanks, and it will take you to the next steps. So I'll just accept. This is about the Cortana. Okay, so it looks like now the installation is complete, and it is saying we are getting everything ready for you. So this is the first time setup after the operating system is installed, so it will take several minutes. So let's wait for it to get it complete. Okay, here are we. Now we have done the operating system installation of Windows 10, and it is showing now. You can see the recycle bin and the Microsoft Edge. So this is the whole setup is now complete. So thanks for watching this video. You may like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So I'll be putting more videos on this channel, so when I put the videos you will get the notification. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.